इट्स द टाइम ऑफ सिनेमा। पता है कैसे? क्योंकि अब हर हफ्ते एक रिलीज आ रही है, कुछ हफ्तों में दो दो रिलीजेस आ रहे हैं। एंड समटाइम्स आई थिंक कि इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक वो रिवेंज मोड में आना भी चाहिए वैसे सिनेमा को, बिकॉज आई एम वेरी हैप्पी हमारी जॉब रह जाएगी फिर, है ना? बट द नेक्स्ट 2-3 months आई एम गोइंग टू सी ऑलमोस्ट 15-20 बिग रिलीजेस। And the best part is that whether people are going to theaters, which will happen over time, but people at least have something to see. There are no gossip columns to fill up there. There's only sport, there's only cricket happening. So Aindrita and Pratik, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you, Salil.
Thank
Thank
you
you
for
very
having
much.
us.
It's such a good feeling to actually see releases happening. मुझे पता है कि खैर प्रतीक hasn't been able to escape last 2 साल से, तो फेसबुक और ट्विटर एंड एवरीवेयर से यही चलता आया है। यू मस्ट बी वेरी हैप्पी ना अंकिता, दैट स्कैम बिकेम सो बिग, क्योंकि फिर तुम्हारी फिल्म को बहुत सॉलिड वो मजा मिल गया।
Absolutely. Of course, I'm happier for Pratik because when I shot with him and the acting ability and the talent that he has, he's got his due. More happy for him, but also very happy for my release.
ये अच्छा होता है, बहती गंगा में सब हाथ धो रहे हैं प्रतीक, बट इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल थिंग। ये जो अच्छा समय आ चुका है फॉर यू, आई रिमेंबर स्पीकिंग टू आफ्टर स्कैम, आई आस्क्ड देन, कभी ज्योतिषी, नंबर्स, आंकड़े, एस्ट्रोलॉजी, टैरो कार्ड्स अभी कुछ देखना शुरू किया कभी कि नहीं?
नहीं यार, अब तक नहीं किया है, तो आगे भी मेरी ऐसी कोई इच्छा नहीं है। जो जैसे हो रहा था, जो जैसे कर रहा हूँ, वो वैसे करते हैं। बाकी सब अपने आप होगा।
And it's still carrying on. I've realized one thing. It's left such a print on our hearts. Scam itself. I think stock market जो 1.5 साल में भागा है, 20% you and Hansal Mehta have credit for. हर कोई जो है, everyone wants to become that. So I think it changed a lot of equations. But now let's talk to the Pratik on the other side, who gets to decide a few scripts, who gets to decide, who, or at least a little bit more options that are available wherever, whichever medium. It must be a really good feeling ki ab now the talent was always there, the recognition that has come. It must really be a very good feeling now.
It's a very, very good feeling, and very emotional, phase also. That because Salil, what happens in actors' life is that most of your life that you are convincing people for their trust, that you are searching for their trust, that have trust in my craft. Am I able to win your trust? The moment you are beyond that, you start seeing excitement in the same eyes where it was a question earlier for the trust.
Correct.
So now I think it is a very interesting phase of my life where I'm seeing the transition happening. जिनको पहले ऐसा वो क्वेश्चन होता था कि पता नहीं हो पाएगा या नहीं, पता नहीं इसे देखने को आएगा या नहीं. Now I see excitement in those eyes. So it's a very, very fulfilling place for an actor to be. So now I don't have a pressure to perform and show ke aata hai. Now I can, dive deeper into characters and explore more is what I can see. ये थोड़ा सा ऐसा एक comfort zone है where actor can strive for more.
No, it also is, and I think you'll have performed so well in barely a couple of minutes trailer में. Performance, set, scale, dance, folk music, it's very difficult to do all that, and to have a good release. Also, ये current time जो चल रहा है ऐसा, you're trying to think कि क्या लोग मुझे देखने आएंगे कि नहीं. Aditya, you put in a lot of effort also, and whenever a new face comes out, you're seeing some, out there, there's always going to be, oh my God, okay, let's see who this is. Even now, Pratik also has to be a new face because he has to get out of Harshad Mehta. It's a big tough job for a lot of people. उनके दिमाग में अभी तक हर्षद भाई आए टीवी पर, no, प्रतीक आए टीवी पर, and then new avatar. So this current time also in an actor's life, last 1.5 years has been tough. How did you deal with it?
So, I mean, I've been fortunate enough. I mean, we shot for this film before the last pandemic. And as soon as the last pandemic got over, I quickly finished some Kannada films. And then as soon as the second pandemic got over, another. I think in these gaps, I think a lot of actors are getting opportunities, and with OTT and I think there's so much work happening out there. So I think it's a great time for actors
And
during this time.
technicians. And
and
technicians.
and
I was
technicians.
speaking to
I
some
think they
people the other
suffer
day.
the
There are no
most.
dates. There are no dates available for anyone.
Yeah, I think all these daily wages, daily wages, they suffer the most. And I think I'm so glad that work has resumed and there's so much abundance of it right now. Yeah.
How is the setup? When you're going back and forth in cinema, when you go to any Kannada, Telugu, any kind of cinema, that South is just rocketing. Every film that is coming out in the last 6 months, 100 crores, 50 crores, it's all like that. On the contrary, North cinema has suffered very badly. In spite of releases, people have just not been okay to come to theaters. Where you actually say star power, it does not really. I mean, the COVID has sort of shown us it is bhakt and god power in the south. It is not there in north of India. So you working in both industries also right now, how are the actors dealing with it?
So yeah, I mean, I'm from the Kannada film industry, and
Yes.
and we are used to working in small budget films like which starts from 4 crore, which I think is impossible for Bollywood to even shoot with. So
Correct.
4 crore budget has seen an extensive profit. I mean, thing in the box office of 100 crores and stuff.
Yeah, Shivaji's films do really well there. I remember being 3 or 4 years ago, one of those films did Diamond Jubilee. I was doing an event where we were celebrating his Diamond Jubilee.
Yeah, like from Kirik Party, Lucia U-Turn, if you've heard of those films, and now KGF has gone like
That's next level. Yeah.
next level. So yeah, I think it's given that hope for a lot of people, like small budget filmmakers especially, to do well in the box office and to make that. I think though, like you said, like how in the north, like big actors films are sort of swingling over here as well. But but with KGF and stuff, so I think there's a lot of scope. But then everybody is waiting for that right time, for the right release
Yeah,
in
man.
theater, so that, because these big budgets are actually at stake, but not the small budget filmmakers.
It's a good time actually for medium budget films and all. I think, Pratik, now you must be having real trouble. सारे गुजराती फिल्ममेकर आपके दरवाजे के बाहर होंगे. Sir, अभी please मेरा time. अभी please. Of course.
Yeah.
Because they'll all say कि जब आप वहां पे थे सर मैं था ना, I helped you then, now you help me now.
You are so right, and that's the scenario that is
Yeah.
happening. And suddenly, I see there are a lot of people who earlier were approaching me for the same Gujarati film. Now they want to do the same film in Hindi, and that's the question that I have in my mind: what suddenly changed? I mean, why?
Yeah.
Because so that excitement is something which is very heartwarming.
Bhavai is a very interesting look also. You are looking very innocent in the film also, and it's a, whatever little that we've seen, like I said, we only have the promo to go on. But it's a very interesting look and an interesting script also to say yes. When you said yes to it also, ऐसा क्या था? मतलब, because it's a very folky kind of film to do. So I would not have expected, yes, talent होता है, लोगों का, they want to explore it with dance, this, that, there are lots of elements in it. But how would you say yes to a film like this? Totally seems in a very non-commercial space.
So this is very close to theatre world that I belong to. So Natak ka theatre ka world, it is very close to the entire storytelling.
Correct.
And the character's journey also, because both the actors in the film, that is played by Andrita and myself, we perform on stage in the film.
Yes.
So for me, this was one of the highlights that I get to perform on stage in this film. And so there are parallel stories happening, because on stage I'm playing Ravan and we are performing Ram Leela for the villagers.
Correct.
So that is a full-fledged Ram Leela is shown in the film. And apart from that, my character's name is Raja Ram Joshi. He has his own journey. So the entire backstage life of an actor. It's a very interesting setup for an actor to explore the range. And I get to perform a different range, absolutely.
And you have the ability to do it also, क्योंकि theatre वाले लोग हर कोई कर नहीं सकता है. Whenever you talk about can you do a Ram Leela kind of performance, picture के अंदर performance करना बहुत actors डर जाते हैं. Abroad, you have Broadways, you have musicals, they take a lot of those actors and they perform with them. India में it's not always worked. Dance-wise, the two of you, who's easier with the steps? Yeah.
Because I'm a good dancer, so it could be.
How tough was matching steps? Because of course you're Ravan, so you don't have to dance too much. But still, with the facial expressions, were you surprised at Pratik's theatre background and then utilizing that, the chemistry-wise, Andrita, between you and him?
Yeah, mean, we had workshops also. We did intensive workshops, reading, and we had all of that. We were well prepared before we went on. I mean, we did those scenes, and it was sync sound. So even all those theater scenes, and we had real audiences, by the way, who were real villagers from that small town that we shot in. So, and like Pratik obviously is really comfortable on stage. He's a theater actor. He had to just do his thing, and the audience would just.
So how do you do retakes? वो real audience को कैसे बताते हैं कि भाई थोड़ा और जोश लेके आइए? How did they do that?
That was really funny because in first 1 and 2 takes, because for them it is happening live in front of them.
Yeah.
Correct.
So they reacted.
Yeah.
Full reactions. They're laughing, they're clapping, everything is happening. So the more the takes, their energy goes down. कि अब इसमें बार-बार क्यों कर रहा है ये? Because उस गांव में ऐसा कुछ पहली बार हो रहा था शूट और ये सब. So for them it's like कि हाँ अभी बार-बार क्यों कर रहा है? फिर लोगों को लगना पड़ता था सारे एडीज को कि हंसो ताली बजाओ ताली.
But close up जब उनका आ रहा था, they were not getting excited कि एडीज को बोलना पड़ता ना सर आप बड़े पर्दे पर आओगे. बाकी लोग बोलेंगे वाओ ऐसा दिख रहा है हीरो कौन है.
पर वो क्या है उसमें दिक्कत क्या होती है कि अगर ऐसा बोल दिया ना because they were so raw, they were experiencing this for the first time, they'll look into the camera. So to tell them कि सर आप सिर्फ रिएक्ट करो, कैमरा कहाँ है वो भी नहीं बताते थे. नहीं तो वो they'll search for camera and they'll look in the camera.
And they're so innocent, like he said, they were so innocent, so raw. Like when we went on this procession, like I had Ram, Lakshman, and me, Sita. When we were on the procession, they actually bowed down to us, thinking that I'm real Sita Mata, and so it was a very unique experience.
And that's a part of the film. That's a part of the story also. So that came across very organic and natural.
Yeah.
You will see that this is the real world that we are showing.
Abhi you should go for election fast, not him, because he's Ravan. You should go for elections fast. You never know. You never know. How did you get this? Andita, how did you suddenly come on board to say yes to this?
So I was coincidentally in Mumbai at that particular time, and I was called in for an audition. I properly auditioned, though I've done a lot of work in the South. I went for the audition I was called for, and I was selected. And it went. And then obviously we had one little bit. Pratik and I we shot a particular scene where I fumbled on my lines, and my Hindi was a concern because I have a little bit of a Kannada and Bengali accent, which is very.
Correct.
Yeah, very weird. And so I went into an intensive workshop for 2 weeks, and then we went on floors. Yeah.
Did you also say yes? I mean, as an excitement, because there was a lot of dance and because you dance well, and so you said I'll be able to showcase it as well?
Not really. Actually, it was the narration. We had such a brilliant narration. Like today, if you see the trailer, the bus coming in with the sun flying, it was exact to exact. It was so descriptive when they narrated the story to me. And now when I see the trailer and the scenes, everything is brought to life. So whoever the narrate, I mean, Shreyas is who narrated the script to us. He did such a good job, and I was like blown over by the narration because it is a brilliant script to be part of, and to be able to portray Sita on stage, another completely opposite character to Sita, a very naughty girl who's she's a naughty artist because of her struggling actor, you could say. That's my other called
Avatar.
Rani, Avatar. Yeah. So in very interesting, something I've never done before.
I think we're always looking for that also. Can there be an urge, Pratik, to look for extremely different kind of scripts now, because you will have that opportunity. I know a lot of people sometimes can say, yaar, ab maine ye kar liya hai. And what will happen is because Scam being such a popular show continues to grow. Like there are scenes of Satish, Kaushik sir, sirf ek scene hai when they're talking about you, which is gone viral on Facebook. So, this is that kind of show that many years later also people continue to watch. Will there be an attempt, and it's unconscious, but will you, to distance yourself very much away from that kind of characterization? Are you facing that also sometimes in your head?
See, I had always been approaching all the scripts and characters in such a way that I get to explore something new within. Even in my theater days that I used to work like that, even in my Gujarati films that I worked like that. I'm fortunate enough that I have this phase of my life where there are options. So if given an option, I would want to create characters which are absolutely different from what I've done. Because this is the time where I can set this tone for myself, for the audience, that whenever you see me, you expect something that you've never seen.
Correct. Correct.
So that it keeps me away from that typecast zone also. Because that's the most deadliest zone for any actor. Either you do it for yourself, or audience will do it, or the makers will do it.
Yeah.
And sometimes it so happens that everybody wants to see you, including yourself, in the same way.
Correct.
Because you somewhere feel that yahi chalta hai. But ऐसा होता नहीं है actually.
Correct.
Without taking a name of a filmmaker, has anybody told you, अभी तो body बना ले, बिल्कुल अलग लग जाएगा. So then you come into that avatar, because that is the only thing you did not do in Scam, build a body. So have you been approached to do that also? And then Prateek with six packs. Prateek with six packs.
Did you put on weight for
Yeah.
Scam? Because when
Yeah.
we shot the
Yes.
film,
I
Yeah.
was lean, right? I was always lean,
Yeah.
like the way you see me in Bhavai. But
Yeah.
for Scam, I had to gain around 18-20 kgs because they wanted that huge body frame. As far as the six packs and all those things are concerned, because I am a fitness freak, so I kept doing it since the school time. But I was never into that stiff body type, which
Like this. I know.
because that stiffness of the body, that restricts the actor to create a character.
Yes.
I know. Nawazuddin told me this also. That I used to ask him this, and I've known him for a long time. He said, भाई अगर मैंने body बना ली तो मैं जितनी तरह से आराम से body fluid movement से नहीं हो पाएंगे मुझसे.
So I want to keep that conscious thing in my mind that I will, for the fitness sake of it, yes. If the role demands, yes. But just for the look and feel of it, it doesn't make sense to me.
But vanity creep in नहीं करता है क्या? कई बार when you look at yourself, you feel better sometimes. You got some nice shoulders. We go to the gym. I mean, this is for both of you. Vanity is a very large part of every actor's armory. You look into the mirror and you'll say, "Arey, I'm looking good. Now go get that role." So how do you manage to, not let that creep into you? It happens to a lot of women also. It happens to lesser times men, because more or less, either you have a body or you don't. But how do you not let vanity creep into your mind, saying that I should always look good? Like in the Instagram sense of the way. Let's put it that way.
So then I'll tell you, my approach is very simple on this. Because there are two things and two people that we're talking about. One is me, Prateek, and the other is the character that I create. I don't want all my characters to look like me. Then it doesn't work. It will not work, for sure. I mean, it may work for first 2, 3, 4 projects. Then you will never be able to see a character. You will always see Prateek.
Correct.
So जो audience शायद अभी ताली बजा देगी उस पे कि अरे क्या दिखता है, क्या body है, क्या है, वही लोग फिर बोलेंगे सब same दिखता है. And you have to be completely aware about it. You have to be conscious about it. So I want to be like a water that if you put me in Faluda, I can taste like Faluda. If you put me in Rasna, I will taste like Rasna. If you put me in Chas, I'll become Chas. And that's how actors should be, is what I feel.
Absolutely. No, very few have that thought process in India. It's slowly creeping in. In India, a difference in look was a beard and the other is clean shave. Or maybe contact lenses and no contact lenses. ये होता था, ये India का look था. But women face a lot of that. Anjita, you're a beautiful lady. When you go to a gym, you're facing, unfortunately in our country now, social media pressure will always be there. Can I allow myself to look less than my perfect self without having to give an explanation? Oh, I'm putting on weight for a role. जब लोग पूछते ना, sir, you put on weight कुछ role के लिए तैयारी है? नहीं यार, I just didn't feel like working out for 2 weeks. Can you do that now?
I've been very different, and my thought process is very different because I actually don't even use my social. I'm quite the opposite. I hate to dress up when I'm not shooting. I just don't like to, put on makeup and do but fitness to me, I'm quite adventurous. So apart from when I'm not acting, I do, I go for rock climbing, surfing and all of that.
Wow.
And that sort of keeps me fit. Cycling, I'm a cyclist also. So hitting the gym just so that I look good, because that's never been my primary concern of looking good, though I know it's an integral part of my job. But when I have to, for meetings and stuff, I do my thing. Wear the appropriate clothes and whatever. But yeah, I've never done that just so, as in physical aspects have not been too important to me. Yeah.
You guys are so refreshing in this current world of, I call it factories. Earlier when you used to go to a gym, it was like a factory. Now when you come out, you see it's like a factory, but that factory is slowly changing thanks to OTT as well. I know a lot of actors that are very happy in creating fantastic characters on the OTT platform, which have as large a reach right now. And do you think, unfortunately or fortunately, there is a sense that ठीक है अगर आप बड़े पर्दे पर नहीं आई, I still have a very large audience to perform, and I have a large audience that respects me money wise also, and I have a large audience as far as producers. Earlier, if you didn't come on the big screen, it was tough to get big money also. Do you think, this question is to both of you, do you think now the actors are in a far more secure space?
In fact, there are so many different formats available that as an actor, if you are open to challenge yourself, then you can do so much of work.
Yeah.
Like there are audio series happening, there are book
Yes.
reads happening. You can record a book, you can do audio series, you can do live shows, you can do mini shows, you can do mini short films. There are so many things. So as an actor, if you are ready to put that extra effort in learning each and every format and putting
Yeah.
yourself there, then I guess endless.
And there's no fear of failure. अगर एक नहीं भी चला, no problem. You can try. Unlike films में earlier, if the film didn't do well, nobody will call you.
Yeah, और fear of failure का तो ऐसा है ना that we are in the business of experiments. तो मतलब experiments के business में आप formula कैसे ही ढूंढ सकते हो? That's so bizarre.
Correct.
Anindita, you also, right? It must be like the best time.
Yeah, it's refreshing. It's amazing that things have changed because earlier or until a year ago, you could say that, and like what they call a bankable actor. So I'm going to cast only this actor because he gives me this much box office. So
Correct.
what happens? It's like it's both ways. Even that actor's head is, I mean, if he's given those many hits, he's like, okay, I'm unbeatable. So, and the stardom that those actors had, now OTT has changed that because a lot of new actors are getting opportunities and they're doing so well. And basically, I think even the pandemic, the theater businesses have been running low. So these bankable actors are under threat right now.
What a full circle of life. It's taken 1.5 years to almost push us back into everyone having to prove themselves over and over again. This is going to be a really refreshing change to actually see. I think, like my cameraman, I remember when I showed a picture of you, Prateek, he said, nahi, ye to bahut alag lag raha hai. When I showed him Bhavai, he said, ye? I said, yeah, this is before you knew him as Harshad. So this is great. And, even Anrita, our Indian audiences, when I say Indian, I only mean the Hindi-speaking audiences, for a long time, are so ignorant of anything beyond Bollywood. हो ही नहीं सकता. It took one Bahubali to say that, अच्छा, वो लोग हमसे कहीं बड़ा होते हैं, and then KGF changed that. I remember when I was watching KGF in a theater, nobody was ready to come with me to see it. And I went to see it because the trailer with the sepia tone and all, I said, wow, I need to see it. And I went mad. I was literally one of the few people alone in the theater. And then 6 weeks later, half of India had seen that movie. So I think it takes time for that, but I think we're for the next zone. Have you got like big ambitions as well? Are you planning to, where do you stay, Anrita? Are you staying in Bombay? Are you staying all over India? Where?
I'm in Bangalore. I stay in Bangalore, in Karnataka.
Are you planning to shift now? How does it work? Is it easier for you now to work in both places, or?
I've signed. I mean, I've signed something with Vikram Bhatt next, so I think for a whole schedule I'll be there in Bombay, and then
Will you be scaring us? Vikram sir will love to write it. He'll voice it also. He'll scare also. Are you going to be scaring us?
from Sita and Rani, I'll be going to a different genre altogether. But that's what it's exciting for me, to play different absolute contrast characters. And I've signed something in Kannada also with Anant Nag sir. So I'm really excited with the lineup I have. And I also have 3-4 films to release in which I shot during the So yeah, it's an exciting time for me as well.
Buffet service is ready. Prateek ka dekhenge. How have you worked your negotiations, brother? After scam, ये जो negotiations हैं, how does one do it? Because you've gone from here to there. तो क्या pricing भी यहाँ से यहाँ ले जा सकते हो? How does it work?
Yeah, pricing and all is very interesting, and I'm learning a lot of things because I'm too new to this entire world.
Are you carrying 3 people with you? Makeup, hair, friend's friend, auntie, uncle, driver. Are you carrying or no with you? Why?
I just have one person with me. He's my driver, and he also helps me throughout the shoot because it becomes very difficult during the shoot that मोबाइल कहाँ रखूं यार? पहले ऐसा होता था जब शूट पे जाता था कि मोबाइल में किसी को भी पकड़ा, जरा पकड़ो शॉट लेके आता हूँ।
Yeah, then
पानी वहाँ
one
जहाँ
man Friday is
जहाँ पानी
important.
या so one man Friday
It's very
changes a
important.
lot of things because
Yeah.
होता क्या था पहले शूट पे जाके यार कि पूरा पूरा दिन शायद पानी नहीं पिया है, and then suddenly you get cramps at night कि यार पता नहीं मैंने तो पानी पिया था पर because you forget in the shoot
Correct.
when you are
correct.
there, so having that
So what does your staff say? What does he say? Sir, आप जब उसने स्कैम देखी तो क्या बोला और उसके बाद was he getting excited? अब तो सर की तो गाड़ी चल पड़ी है.
no actually मैं बताऊं कि he joined me, he's with me from last 1 year absolutely after scam. तब
अच्छा.
तक तो मैं तो स्कैम पे भी ऐसे ही अकेले ही अपन तो जाते थे, सब करके आ जाते थे. अभी आई गेस आई हैव वन पर्सन हु ड्राइव्स द कार आल्सो एंड ही इज विथ मी, सो दैट मेक्स माय लाइफ लिटिल इजी कि मैं जब ट्रैवल करता हूँ तब मैं बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज खत्म कर लेता हूँ या स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ लेता हूँ.
Correct. Correct.
पहले जब खुद गाड़ी चलाते थे तो बॉम्बे पे ट्रैफिक में ऐसा होता था कि रुक जाओ यार मैं बताता हूँ तुमको, रुक जाओ पहुंचने के बाद बताता हूँ. अब आई यूटिलाइज दैट टाइम.
And I'm wishing you both all the success in the world, Prateek. You're such a grounded person, and this is what happens. But both of you are coming from a background of talent also. It's not like, you know, अगर दुनिया ने मेरे फेस को या मुझे पसंद नहीं किया मेरी जिंदगी बर्बाद हो जाएगी. And I think that's the most beautiful thing with so many performers these days. You guys are performers. It's not, you're not into wanting to become stars, which for such a long time everybody was told to become just that. And there's a big market for the performers. So thanks so much. Real privilege to have you guys on the show. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you
Salil.
so
Thank
much.
you. It was such a lovely chat that we had.
Yeah.
All right, bye bye, and really looking forward to watching this performance because the two of them are so different in the performances that you've seen so far on screen. You know, Andita with the Kannada films and Prateek Gandhi, of course, with Scam has always been very different. And so let's hope and wait and see how the audiences react to this kind of performance of his, looking very different. And I'm really looking forward to this one. Till the next time, take care and bye bye.